Rib roast in pressure cooker. In a pressure cooker, I will add 5 to 7 sliced onions. The best thing about this recipe is that it doesn't need to add no water at all. Here I used 1 kilogram of rib. And to season, I will use chimichurri to taste. I used coarse salt, but if you prefer, can be normal salt. I used 200 grams of bacon, but if you don't have it, you don't need to place. Three cloves garlic with peel and all. And the tomato, also cut into slices. And a little more onion. I decided to add a little more spice, but it's totally optional. And let's cap it and leave it under pressure for 30 minutes. And after finished, it's ready our rib. And look how wonderful it is. Amazing, super tasty, melting, it's a delight. A tip is to be very careful with the time from the rib on the fire. Do it at your home. I'm sure you all will love your lunch or dinner. It will be a success. I hope you enjoyed of this recipe. This was another recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.